Hi everyone, Scott Schweiger here with the final Tuesday tax tip of this tax season. With the increased focus on business issues, it seems fitting to close out things on Business Tax Day. Well, for pass-through businesses anyway. You C Corps have another month along with individuals. Though this year's Tuesday Tax Tips was a little bit short, I think it was more impactful and concise than in prior years. We went through a lot of great reminders and tips, things like the timing of placing assets in service, how to claim the self employed health insurance deduction. That's still a mouthful. 1099K reporting changes, the fact that meals and entertainment at restaurants are 100% deductible for 2021 and still for 2022, the potential impact of state pass-through elections. Definitely something to keep on your radar and definitely something to keep in your tax toolkit. The employee retention credit for 2021 and the forgotten work opportunity tax credit. So, how are we going out? We're going out with PPP. Consider this my reminder to you that you still have time to apply for forgiveness for your round 2 PPP loan. The first PPP2 loans came out around February 2021. The 24-week covered period gets us to about July, early August 2021, and you have 10 months from that time to file for forgiveness, which brings us to May or early June 2022 to apply. And if you miss your deadline, don't fret. Yes, your loan payments will start, but you can apply for forgiveness up until the maturity date of your loan. But then you're waiting for the government to refund your loan payments upon forgiveness, which isn't an ideal situation. So make sure you get that round 2 PPP loan forgiveness application in on time. That wraps up our tips for the year. Obviously, this is just a reminder of round 2 PPP forgiveness, and how this tip will impact you depends on your particular set of facts and circumstances, like if you have a PPP round 2 loan, if you've applied for forgiveness on that loan yet, and the timing of when you received that loan. If you have specific questions, please reach out to your tax advisor or feel free to contact me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you join me next year for more Tuesday Tax Tips.